How to delete your story on TikTok. Have you noticed any changes on TikTok? With the latest update, TikTok has made some changes to certain features. Among the changes is certainly the ability to delete your story. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your story. Before we proceed, make sure your TikTok app is updated to have the latest version. If it's not, update it. Now open the TikTok app on your phone. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. I had previously added a story, and now I'll delete it. Tap on your profile picture to open the story. Previously, there were 3 dots before which you deleted the story, but they are not there anymore. The process is still easy, it has just been moved to another place. If you swipe up, you'll see a list of your followers who have viewed the story. Nobody has viewed my story yet. Next to the views in the top left corner of the window, you'll see a trash can. Tap on it to delete the story. In the new window, press delete once again. And your story has been successfully deleted. That's all for this tutorial. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.